The Mediterranean diet is based on the region's traditional fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, seafood, olive oil, and perhaps a glass or two of red wine. That's how the inhabitants of Crete, Greece, and southern Italy ate during the 1960s, when their rates of chronic disease were among the lowest in the world and their life expectancy among the highest, despite having only limited medical services. The real Mediterranean diet is about more than just eating fresh, wholesome food. Daily physical activity and sharing meals with others are vital elements. Together, they can have a profound effect on mood and mental health and help foster a deep appreciation for the pleasures of eating healthy and delicious foods. The Mediterranean diet has been studied for decades and has been confirmed as the best diet to prevent inflammation and disease. Making the switch from ready-made processed foods to fresh salads and fish may take some effort, but you could soon be on a path to a healthier and longer life. Of course, making changes to your diet is rarely easy, especially if you're trying to move away from the convenience of processed and takeout foods. But the Mediterranean diet can be an inexpensive as well as a satisfying and very healthy way to eat. Health benefits of a Mediterranean diet. A traditional Mediterranean diet consists of large quantities of fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, fish, and olive oil coupled with physical activity. The combination can reduce your risk of serious mental and physical health problems. Following a Mediterranean diet limits your intake of refined breads, processed foods, and red meat, and encourages drinking red wine instead of hard liquor, all factors that can help prevent heart disease and stroke. Research suggests that the Mediterranean diet may improve cholesterol, blood sugar levels, and overall blood vessel health, which in turn may reduce your risk of disease, including conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, dementia. To learn how to follow a Mediterranean diet, leave a message in the comments as we offer coaching service. We will show you how to easily switch to a Mediterranean diet and provide easy meal plans to gently ease the transition towards this healthy diet.